Hey, what's going on YouTube? I am Prime Investors, back with another hot crypto project. Today we are going to check Ramp. Project related. All the links you will get in the video description so you can check them all one by one. Before we start, a small disclaimer, this is not going to be any investment advice. My job is to find and introduce to you guys about the most trusted and reliable projects. You should always do your own research before investing in any project. And if you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, and also hit the bell icon, so you won't miss any updates from Prime Investors. So let's get started. Ramp DeFi is a multi-chain DeFi protocol that helps asset owners achieve capital efficiency by offering a powerful and comprehensive solution to multitask users' crypto assets, maximizing the value and returns. Users can earn optimal high-yield returns from their deposited assets, collateralized stablecoin against them, at the same time to get extra liquidity to pursue other investment opportunities with great accessibility across multiple blockchain networks. Ramp gives users some of the highest deposit yields and lowest borrowing fees on collateral assets within Binance Smart Chain and Polygon. You can borrow RUSD, a stablecoin, by collateralizing your asset deposits. RUSD liquidity can be used directly on AMMs, such as PancakeSwap or QuickSwap, to swap for any token assets that you wish to buy. While your collateral assets continue to generate high yield for you, the borrowed RUSD can be transferred seamlessly between networks. This means that you can borrow with your BSC assets and send RUSD to Polygon to buy new tokens on QuickSwap, or vice versa, to buy tokens on PancakeSwap. I will explain everything about this project in detail, so let's get started. Here we are on the website of Ramp, the multi-chain DeFi lending platform that maximizes capital efficiency on your assets. From here you can check the promo video of Ramp. Make sure to check out this video so you can get an idea on how Ramp DeFi works.
Imagine if you could unlock new liquidity from your crypto assets tied up in staking or yield farming. Liquidity that's transferable across blockchain networks, so you could engage in more investment opportunities while earning ultra-high yield. With Ramp, the multi-chain DeFi protocol, you can. Using Ramp, you simply deposit your crypto assets in vaults that auto-compound to optimize your returns. While earning yields, you can extract extra liquidity because Ramp lets you mint RUSD, a collateralized stablecoin, against your asset deposits. Use your RUSD instantly on automated market makers to buy new token assets with strong growth potential. While your original holdings generate passive income, your minted RUSD can be transferred seamlessly across blockchain networks to target profit opportunities. Stake, earn high yields, and borrow liquid capital simultaneously in just a few clicks on Ramp DeFi.
Excellent, right? Apart from this, here on Ramp, you can earn yields while you borrow. You can continue to earn yields on deposited assets while you borrow RUSD stablecoin. You can mint stablecoin against your deposited assets and pursue new investment opportunities. And you can also move stablecoin seamlessly across multiple blockchain networks. Ramp aims to empower users with access to a global, blockchain-agnostic liquidity network. RUSD can be minted on Binance Smart Chain and Polygon, with more chains in the near future. Here from this image you can see how their BSC, Polygon chain process works, and you can also check how their cross-chain liquidity transfer works. And at last, you will get all the community links of the project, which I will also share in the video description, so you can join and get updated to the project. So now let's go to their dApp. From here you can see, total value locked is more than $71 million. And our USD price is around 96 cents. From here, you can select the chain in which you want to invest. And from here, you can invest in stablecoin vault, single assets market, and LP asset markets. For example, if you want to invest in Ramp, then you can directly stake Ramp from here, in which you will get around 28% of APY. You can also use this ROI calculator to check your approximate rewards against your investment. You can select time period and compounding days, and then you can check your ROI at current rates. And from here, you can borrow RUSD against Ramp with annual interest of 4%. And be cautious, as your assets will be liquidated to repay RUSD if the market price of RAMP is lower than the liquidation price. Same way you can also check out other assets from here. In LP asset market, you can provide liquidity, and then you can deposit that LP tokens to earn rewards. In this RAMP RUSD LP pool, you will get APY of around 44%. If you deposit into Cake BUSD pool, then you will get highest APY of around 127%. Apart from this, here from their Medium article, you can see in detail about their RAMP $60 million liquidity incentive program. The RAMP liquidity incentive program focuses on incentivizing users to borrow the RUSD stablecoin after depositing collateral, and stabilizing the RUSD peg to other USD-backed stablecoins. 200 million RAMP tokens in total are allocated to the liquidity incentive program, from which 150 million RAMP in incentives for users who deposit assets and mint the RUSD stablecoin on the RAMP platform, and 50 million RAMP in incentives for users who provide liquidity to stabilize RUSD swaps against other stablecoins, including BUSD, USDC, USDT and DAI. The RAMP incentives in each program are evenly shared between the 5 blockchain networks: Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Ethereum, Solana, and Polkadot. From here, you can check in detail about liquidity incentives for Binance Smart Chain. 30 million RAMP are allocated for RUSD borrowing, taking place on Binance Smart Chain. RAMP tokens will be distributed, in accordance with this schedule, across a period of 23 months. 3 million RAMP will be shared between RUSD borrowers for the first month. 2,250,000 RAMP per month from the second to fourth month, 1,500,000 RAMP per month from the 5th to 12th month, and 750,000 RAMP per month from the 13th to the 23rd month. So this is how they will distribute the RAMP. Apart from this, 10 million RAMP are allocated towards helping RUSD achieve stability against other USD-backed stablecoins, from which 4 million RAMP to be used for monthly RUSD trading competitions, with prizes of 200,000 RAMP per month over a period of 20 months. And 6 million RAMP set aside for pancake syrup pools to boost farming rewards where required. So this is all about RAMP DeFi. Definitely, if you want to buy this token, then buy it now. As the project will grow, token price will also grow rapidly, and you can make some decent profit. As you know guys, we only introduce reliable and trusted projects to you. Thousands of investors are watching us daily, and always makes good money from our videos. I recommend this project to everyone, as I firmly believe this project will do awesome in coming days. So let's not waste any time. We'll post all the community and project related links to description, so go and check out. Till time, I am signing off for now. If you enjoyed video and found something interesting, then do like this video, and also drop a comment to the comment section. Your valuable feedbacks are very important for us.